Good afternoon, Judge, and thank you for joining us. Your first question, based on your experience at the domestic level, what would you say are some of the major challenges facing domestic judiciaries in East Africa?
I think two main challenges. One is just the attacks on judicial independence, and two, we are still struggling with corruption as a specific case problem in the region, and particularly in domestic courts.
You cannot have judicial independence if you are corrupt as a judge. And one of the biggest problems we have had in Kenya is corruption. And for as long as we ourselves allow ourselves to be corrupted, then we cannot speak about judicial independence. That is a problem that we ourselves in the judiciary must be able to deal with. The usual culprit must be spoken about. The executive, the legislature. This country, we thought, had gone out of the realm of executive interference in judicial decision making. No judge can feel comfortable if every single day as you wake up, there's a petition for your removal on your desk. No judge is comfortable when the President of the Republic, after you make a decision, goes to the public and says, these judges are thugs, these judges are thugs, these judges are crooks. No judge is comfortable when every single time Parliament sits, your names are being mentioned as being an impediment to whatever the government wants to do. So it is real, it's not late, it's not like it happened 5 years ago, it's happening today. If you look at the papers today, The Nation has a headline of the Chief Justice's picture, and the headline is, "A Hunted Man." You cannot have a judiciary where the Chief Justice and the judges are perpetually hunted.
And how would you say we can overcome these challenges?
I think first we need to ensure that judges themselves stick to the codes of conduct. Judges and magistrates are focused, they're resilient, and for the institutions that are charged with the discipline of judges and magistrates, they should take their responsibility seriously. The more judges and magistrates who are punished for breaching their code of conduct, the easier it will be to manage the remainder. So that for me is immediate that can be done.
In the Bangalore Principles, it is said that judicial independence is a prerequisite to the rule of law and a fundamental guarantee of a fair trial. A judge should therefore uphold and exemplify judicial independence in both its individual and institutional aspects. If we do not have judicial independence, we cannot have the rule of law. If we cannot have the rule of law, we cannot have a country. And so my message would be, and my question would be to all of you, when judiciaries are under attack, who should defend the judiciary? Is it judges themselves? Is it civil society? Is it the bar associations? Is it all of us? If we do not defend and safeguard judicial independence, we have no business talking about the word democracy.